Okay, guys, here's another scenario on applying simultaneous equations into the real world. Okay, in this case, a farmer sold a cow and a sheep for a selling price of 9.3, which is the total. He made a profit of 20% on a cow and 10% on a sheep. On another occasion, he sold both for a selling price of 9,100, but this time made a profit of 10% on a cow and 20% on a sheep. What is the cost price of each cow and each sheep? So it's almost the same as the previous scenario. It's only a slight difference, which is in this case, um, you're just gonna have to have a little bit of accounting knowledge, which is if we are given a selling price and we are giving a profit, then of course we should know that um, cost price plus profit should give us the selling price. So, or vice versa. So to begin with, we'll write the formula which is um, the cost price plus profit is equal to selling price. The same way, if we want to determine, if we are given the selling price and the cost price for us to get the profit, it will be selling price minus cost price will give us the profit. So this entire this entire we're going to do now is going to be based on this formula. How we're going to be able to come up with our two equations so that we can solve for to determine the cost price of each, the cow and the sheep. So okay, so for our first equation of the simultaneous, we're going to have to say like the previous one, let x be the cost price of each cow and let y be the cost price of each sheep. There you go. And then from there we go and say if we made a okay, so equation one will read as like this, one. So basically our total selling price, we are using this this formula here, which is selling cost price plus profit is equal to selling price. So now our selling price in the first part of the scenario is 9,300. Therefore, our cost price, we don't have the cost price. So therefore, our cost price of sheep is X, of the cow is X. So our cost price, which is X from that formula, X plus the profit, But how do we determine the profit then? How do we determine the profit? The profit will be plus will be 20%. 20% which will be 20% of x plus 20%. 20%. Okay, let's write it this way: x plus 20%. Okay, 20% is 0.2x, guys. 0.2x, right? Plus our ship, which we made 10%, which is y, plus, let's do this, y plus 10 is 0.1, y will be equal to 9.3, right? This is our equation 1. Then equation 2 will be, let's see, from the statement, it says the total selling price is 9,100, but now our profit percentages is now vice versa, which means that our x now plus is now 0.1. We made a profit of 0.1x here, plus our y here we made 20%, which is 0.2 y, and we get hence we made less here, 9,100. Okay, there we go. We have our two equations now, and then now our next step is to simplify that. X plus 0.2x, this will be 1.1x. Sorry. It will be 1.2x plus 1.1y equal to 9.3. Then the second one will be 1.1x plus 1.2y equal to 9.1. There you go. Now we solve our simultaneous equation now, which will be, put a minus there, put an equal sign, big one. Okay, before we actually go there, we need to multiply our first equation, because we really need to make this, we're gonna still use the elimination method here, in a way that we're gonna multiply the first equation with 1.1, and the second one with 1.2. So we're gonna multiply it like this. Let's say we're gonna multiply this by multiplied by 1.1, and then here we multiplied by 1.2, right? So, and then to the next line, 1.1 times 1.2, we get 1.32x plus 1.21y is equal to 9.3 multiplied by 1.1, 9.3 multiplied by 1.1 equal to 10,230. So it's 10,230, right? Then on our second equation, multiplied by 1.2 to be 1.32x plus 1.44y will be equal to 9.1 multiplied by 1.2. 9.1 multiplied by 1.2 10 9 20. So it's 10 9 20. There we go. Now we minus these. We put our big equal sign here. Yeah, 1.32 minus that, we get a 0. If you minus those two, we get 1.44. That's 20 minus 3. 20 minus 3, that's 17. So that's 17y is equal to if you minus that, 920 minus 230, 690. Then we divide both sides by 70, and then y will be equal to, these cancels each other. No. $690 divided by 17. What? Guys, we did something here. Not allowed. Sorry. Okay, let's see. Where did we go wrong here? Okay, sorry guys. Here it's not supposed to be. I don't know where I'm getting this. It's supposed to be this. If we minus the 2 here, it's 0.23 instead of 0.17. So if y is equal to, so 0.23, therefore this cancels each other, then our y will be equal to there we go. It's 3,000. Okay, so it's 3,000. Then if we substitute our the value of x into the first equation, which is 1.2x, 1.2 k x plus 1.1 thousand. Let's go to 9.3. This will be equal to 9.3. So therefore 1.2 x plus 3.3 be equal to 9.3. Therefore 1.2x is equal to 9.3 minus 3.3. So 1.2 cancels each other. 1.2. Therefore x will be equal to, that's 6,000 divided by 1.2 divided by 1.2 for x equal to 5,000. Therefore the price of, the cost price of each cow is 5,000, and each sheep is 3,000. Okay, done. Okay guys, see you tomorrow. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification button for more. Stay tuned and stay blessed. Thank you for supporting, and please feel free to drop and comments, any additions, any questions that you have. Just drop it in the comment section. Stay blessed, guys.